You ever get in your Porsche Boxster and the horn just seems to want to always go off on its own no matter what you're doing, and people think that, you're a real jerk, but you're not even touching the horn. Well, this is a common problem in Porsches. So I'm going to teach you how to fix that. It's all about the horn. So watch my first video on how to take the airbag out of your steering wheel because it's very important. And always disconnect your battery. So once you take the airbag out, you're right here. And this piece of metal is actually the horn. So you can push it in any of the four corners. So these screws that are here, I left one in there so you could see what it looks like, are 19s. And they're reverse thread like regular. So I took all these 19s out. This is what they look like, and they'll go right back in. And then there's a little ground wire right here. I disconnected that. You see the brown, the brown ground. And then you just pull this off. Now I'm going to show you up close. These bushings go bad. And then they can't hold the metal correctly. And then the metal just touches the other metal in the car. And the horn just goes off all the time. It's pretty crazy. So look, you can see that mine is already broken all the way through. So you need to, these bushings, you need to replace these. This one's kind of nasty. You see it's already broken as well. And this one, I got one that's like decent, but you can get a rebuild kit for these. So just push these out, like, grab them out with whatever kind of tool that you can, and then get the rebuild kit, which comes with new bushings and centerpieces, and just put them back in. Put this back on. Always make sure you see the little tooth right here. You have to put the ground back on or the horn will never work. So you can just connect it right here while you're waiting. Put it back on. Back on. Bolt this back in. And there you go. Your horn's fixed. Now, you still have to put the airbag back on. So watch my airbag video on how to get the airbag back on. And then you can do two things at once. You can fix an airbag. You can just take that airbag out and delete it completely if you want to make a race car. And now you can fix your horn. But I am going to leave the horn off completely because I don't care. And I don't want it. And I don't even like the steering wheel. And who needs a horn anyway, Garbage. I think that thing weighs like 2 ounces. So now my car is like 700 horsepower faster. Alright, man, I'm just joking. We gotta have fun sometimes, you know what I mean? Thanks for coming back to Disturbing Creations. I appreciate it. Leave me a like, subscribe, hit notifications all. I'm trying to put a couple videos out a week. I've been doing real good on the videos almost every other day. So if you want to see something, leave a comment down below, or if you're having a problem with another vehicle, you can DM me directly. If you don't want to leave a comment down below on my Instagram, it's under the same name, Disturbing Creations, same spelling, K for creation, Z for the back instead of an S, and just DM me directly with any of your problems and I'll try to get a hold of you. Advice is free, let's help each other out. Knowledge is free, let's help each other out. I'm doing this for you guys. I do this every day for me and for fun. So now I want to educate the masses and educate other people on how to save some money, build some confidence, and do it on their own. So again, this is the horn change, and on a 986 Boxster, and we'll be back. Love you all. God bless.